What if I told you that while you sleep tonight, your brain could actually repair itself, grow stronger, and even improve your memory just by eating the right foods before bed? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science says it's real. And in today's video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 powerful foods that can help heal brain cells and restore memory while you sleep. Imagine waking up with a sharper mind, better focus, and improved memory without expensive supplements or complicated routines. In today's fast-paced world, memory problems, brain fog, and lack of focus are becoming more common than ever. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone who wants to stay mentally sharp, taking care of your brain is no longer optional, it's essential. And here's the good news. Your brain does most of its healing and repair work while you sleep. That's right. Nighttime is when your brain detoxifies, forms memories, and rebuilds damaged cells. But this process depends heavily on what you eat, especially in the evening. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 incredible foods that support brain repair, boost memory, and improve cognitive function while you sleep. Make sure you watch till the end because the last one is something most people completely ignore, yet it's one of the most powerful. Let's get started. First, let's talk about walnuts. Yes, something as simple as walnuts can have a huge impact on your brain health. Walnuts are often called brain food, and if you look at their shape, they actually resemble the human brain. But this is not just a coincidence. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, which is essential for brain function. These healthy fats help repair brain cells, improve communication between neurons, and reduce inflammation in the brain. When you eat a small handful of walnuts in the evening, your body uses those nutrients overnight to rebuild and strengthen neural pathways. This can lead to better memory, improved learning ability, and sharper focus the next day. Here's a simple tip: eat about 4-6 walnuts about an hour before bed. You can eat them raw or soak them in water for a few hours if you want easier digestion. But avoid overeating. Too many can cause digestive discomfort. Balance is key. Now moving on to the second powerful food, blueberries. Blueberries are often called a superfood, and for a very good reason. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your brain from oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress damages brain cells and leads to memory decline. Blueberries help fight this damage. They improve blood flow to the brain and support the growth of new brain cells, a process known as neurogenesis. What's even more interesting is that compounds in blueberries can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly affect areas responsible for memory and learning. Eating blueberries in the evening can help your brain recover from the day's stress and strengthen memory formation during sleep. You can have a small bowl of fresh or frozen blueberries after dinner. You can also mix them with yogurt for a delicious and brain-boosting snack. But here's something important: avoid sugary blueberry desserts. Too much sugar can actually harm your brain and cancel out the benefits. Now let's talk about the third food, turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This is one of the most powerful natural remedies for brain health. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation in the brain is one of the major causes of memory loss and cognitive decline. Curcumin helps reduce this inflammation and supports the repair of damaged brain cells. But here's the key: curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. To improve absorption, you need to combine it with black pepper and a healthy fat like milk. Drinking a warm glass of turmeric milk before bed not only relaxes your body, but also helps your brain heal overnight. Here's a simple recipe. Take 1 cup of warm milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and mix well. You can also add a little honey for taste. Drink it 30 minutes before sleep. It can improve memory, reduce stress, and even help you sleep better. Now the fourth food, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with nutrients that are essential for brain health. They are rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and antioxidants. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system and improve sleep quality. Zinc plays a key role in nerve signaling and memory function. And iron supports oxygen flow to the brain. When your brain gets enough oxygen and nutrients, it performs better and repairs itself more efficiently during sleep. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep and mood. You can eat a small handful of pumpkin seeds in the evening or sprinkle them over your salad or yogurt. But again, moderation is important. Too much can lead to excess calorie intake. Now let's move to the fifth and final food, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate can actually be good for your brain if consumed correctly. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants that improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. Flavonoids help stimulate the growth of new neurons and improve memory. They also protect the brain from age-related decline. Eating a small piece of dark chocolate in the evening can boost your brain activity and support overnight repair processes. But here's the catch. You must choose chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa. Avoid milk chocolate or sugary versions, as they can do more harm than good. A small square is enough. Don't overdo it. Now that we've covered the top 5 foods, let's talk about some powerful tips that can multiply these benefits. First, timing matters. Try to eat these foods at least 1-2 hours before bed. This gives your body enough time to digest and absorb nutrients. Second, avoid heavy meals late at night. Overeating can disrupt sleep and reduce the brain's ability to repair itself. Third, stay hydrated. Your brain needs water to function properly. Even mild dehydration can affect memory and focus. Fourth, reduce screen time before bed. Blue light from phones and laptops can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt sleep. Fifth, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps your brain follow a natural rhythm. Now let's quickly go over some common mistakes people make. Many people rely on processed snacks at night, chips, cookies, sugary drinks. These foods increase inflammation and damage brain cells over time. Another mistake is skipping dinner or going to bed hungry. Your brain needs nutrients to repair itself. Without proper fuel, this process slows down. Also, people often expect instant results. Remember, brain health is a long-term investment. Consistency is more important than quick fixes. If you found this information helpful so far, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And comment below, what is your favorite brain food? I'd love to know. Now let's bring everything together. Your brain is one of the most powerful organs in your body. It controls your thoughts, memories, decisions, and overall quality of life. And the best part, you have the power to protect and improve it starting today. By simply adding walnuts, blueberries, turmeric milk, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate into your evening routine, you can support your brain's natural healing process. These foods work together to reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, repair brain cells, and strengthen memory all while you sleep. So tonight, instead of reaching for junk food, choose something that fools your brain. Small changes lead to big results. Start today, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss videos like this. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or health routine. Now, before you click away, there's something very important that most people don't realize about brain health, and this could be the missing piece that's stopping you from seeing real results. You see, it's not just about eating the right foods, it's also about what your brain is doing while you sleep. Every night, your brain goes through a powerful process called cleanup mode. During deep sleep, your brain removes toxins, clears out waste, and strengthens important neural connections. This is exactly how memories are formed and stored. But here's the problem. If your sleep quality is poor, even the best foods won't work effectively. So let's take this a step further and talk about how to combine these foods with better nighttime habits to maximize your brain healing. First, create a simple nighttime routine. Your brain loves consistency. When you follow the same pattern every night, your body knows it's time to wind down. Try this about 60-90 minutes before bed. Dim the lights, avoid loud noise, and stay away from stressful activities. You can pair this with your brain foods. For example, drink your turmeric milk, eat a few walnuts or pumpkin seeds, and give your body time to relax. Second, focus on deep sleep, not just total sleep. Many people say, I sleep 7-8 hours, but still feel tired and forgetful. That's because not all sleep is equal. Deep sleep is when the real brain repair happens. To improve deep sleep, keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Even small lights or noise can interrupt this process. Third, watch your caffeine intake. Drinking coffee or energy drinks late in the day can stay in your system for hours and block your brain from entering deep sleep. Try to avoid caffeine at least 6-8 hours before bedtime. Instead, switch to calming options like herbal tea or your turmeric milk. Now let's talk about something that silently damages your brain at night: late night scrolling. Using your phone in bed may seem harmless, but it's one of the biggest enemies of brain recovery. The blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which reduces melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. This not only affects your sleep, but also slows down memory, repair, and brain detox. So here's a simple rule: no screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Instead, you can read a book, listen to calm music, or simply relax. Now let's add one more powerful element: breathing and relaxation. Stress is one of the biggest reasons for memory problems. When your mind is constantly active, your brain doesn't get the rest it needs. Try this simple breathing exercise before bed. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. Do this for 5 minutes. This signals your brain to relax and prepares it for deep, healing sleep. Now imagine combining this relaxed state with the brain-boosting foods we talked about earlier. That's when the magic really happens. Your brain enters deep sleep, nutrients are absorbed, damaged cells begin to repair, and new connections start forming. This is how real transformation happens, not in a day, but over time. Let's also talk about hydration, something very basic but often ignored. Your brain is made up of about 75% water. Even slight dehydration can reduce focus, slow down thinking, and affect memory. But here's the key: don't drink too much water right before bed, or it may disturb your sleep. Instead, stay hydrated throughout the day and have a small glass of water if needed at night. Now here's a bonus tip that most people overlook: combine foods smartly. Instead of eating these foods randomly, try pairing them for better results. For example, you can have a small bowl of yogurt with blueberries and pumpkin seeds, or eat walnuts along with a piece of dark chocolate, then finish with a warm glass of turmeric milk. This combination gives your brain a wide range of nutrients, healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all working together overnight. Now let's address a question many people have: how long does it take to see results? The answer is simple: it depends on consistency. Some people notice better sleep and improved focus within a few days. For others, it may take a few weeks. But one thing is certain: if you stay consistent, your brain will respond. Remember, you didn't lose focus or memory overnight, and you won't fix it overnight either. This is a process, but it's a powerful one. And the best part, it's natural, safe, and sustainable. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines, just simple foods, better habits, and quality sleep. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. That means you care about your health, and that's the first step to real change. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these foods are you going to try tonight? Is it walnuts, blueberries, or maybe turmeric milk? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, because good health is something we should all spread. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. We bring you simple, practical health tips that actually work without confusion or complexity. Take care of your brain, and your brain will take care of you. Sleep well, eat smart, and I'll see you in the next video. And one last thing, if you truly want to protect your memory and keep your brain sharp for years to come, you need to think beyond just what to eat tonight. Because brain health is not a one-night fix, it's a lifestyle. Let's go a little deeper into how you can build a daily system that supports your brain 24/47. Start with your mornings. Most people focus only on nighttime routines, but what you do in the morning sets the tone for your brain the entire day. When you wake up, your brain is fresh and ready to absorb information. Expose yourself to natural sunlight within the first 15-20 minutes. This helps reset your internal body clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. When this rhythm is balanced, your sleep at night becomes deeper and more restorative. And better sleep means better brain repair. Next, don't skip breakfast, especially if you're struggling with focus or memory. A balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and a small amount of complex carbs can stabilize your blood sugar and prevent brain fog. Something as simple as eggs, whole grain toast, and a few nuts can make a big difference. Now let's talk about mental activity. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. If you want better memory, challenge your brain daily. Read books, solve puzzles, learn a new skill, or even try memorizing small things like grocery lists or phone numbers. This strengthens neural connections and makes your brain more resilient. And here's something interesting. Learning before sleep can actually improve memory retention. If you study or review something important in the evening, your brain processes and stores that information while you sleep. So if you're a student or someone learning new skills, this can be a game changer. Now let's address physical activity. Exercise is not just for your body, it's one of the most powerful tools for brain health. When you exercise, your heart pumps more oxygen, rich blood to your brain. This supports cell growth, improves mood, and enhances memory. Even 20-30 minutes of walking, jogging, or light exercise can significantly boost brain function. Try to stay active during the day so your body feels naturally ready for rest at night. Now, here's something many people ignore: emotional health. Your thoughts, stress levels, and emotions have a direct impact on your brain. Chronic stress releases a hormone called cortisol, which can damage brain cells over time and affect memory. That's why it's so important to manage stress in simple ways. Spend time with loved ones. Take breaks. Practice gratitude. Even a few minutes of quiet time can calm your mind. A peaceful mind creates the perfect environment for brain healing. Now let's go back to food for a moment, but this time let's talk about what to avoid. Because sometimes what you don't eat is just as important as what you do eat. Highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and trans fats can increase inflammation in the brain. Over time, this can lead to memory problems and reduced cognitive function. Try to limit fast food, packaged snacks, and sugary drinks, especially at night. Also, avoid heavy, oily meals right before bed. These can disturb your sleep and slow down the brain's repair process. Instead, keep your evening meals light, balanced, and nutrient-rich. Now, here's a powerful mindset shift I want you to remember. Don't think of these changes as a diet or a routine. Think of them as an investment in your future. Every healthy choice you make today is protecting your brain for tomorrow. Whether it's adding a few walnuts, choosing blueberries over dessert, or turning off your phone earlier, these small actions add up over time. And over weeks and months, they create a noticeable difference: sharper thinking, better memory, more clarity, and most importantly, a healthier, stronger brain. So tonight, before you go to bed, ask yourself one simple question. Did I do something today to support my brain? If the answer is yes, even in a small way, you're on the right path. And if not, that's okay. You can start right now, because it's never too late to take control of your health. Now, if you've stayed with me till this point, I truly appreciate your time and attention. You're not just watching videos, you're learning, growing, and taking steps to improve your life. And that matters. So go ahead, start with 1 or 2 changes tonight. Maybe eat a handful of walnuts, or prepare a warm cup of turmeric milk, or simply put your phone away a little earlier. Start small, stay consistent, your brain will thank you for it. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Because helping others stay healthy is one of the best things you can do. Take care, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.